Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with a special drawing video. Today with an Extreme Fusion. I will fuse Goku, Broly from Dragon Ball Z, Super Janemba and Mr. Satan. I wanted to do something crazy and unexpected and this came into my mind. So I made that happen. Let's check out the drawing process together guys. Hit like, subscribe and then we can start. Let's go.
I love the way you move. It's so intriguing. It brings me back to the days that we had together. I love the way you move tonight. I'm stuck in my head, going on another feeling. I love the way you move tonight. I'm caught on a feeling that won't go away. Seeing you with someone else puts me in my feels. There's nothing left of us. When I woke up in the morning light with the sun's reflection in my eyes, I pondered about last night. I love the way you move tonight. I'm stuck in my head, going on another feeling. I love the way you move tonight. I'm caught on a feeling that won't go away. That won't go away. It's my heart in the sky.
Alright guys, there you have the final result. What can I say about this fusion? Let's start with the head. As you can see, I gave him horns, which belongs to Janemba. The hair is a mix of Mr. Satan and Goku's hair, which looks kind of weird to be honest. The mustache is of Mr. Satan of course, with the colors of Goku's Super Saiyan hair. The eyes are from Super Janemba, and the overall face is of Goku. The face expression however is from Janemba and Broly. The earrings are also from Broly, and I also gave the character the skin color of Broly. The overall size of this character is like Goku's size. The muscle size however is from Broly, and I gave him some body hair which belongs to Mr. Satan. The cape and belt is also from Mr. Satan, but as you can see I use Goku's symbol for it, which looks great. The accessories are from Broly, hands, feet and tail are from Janemba, and the pants are from Goku. That's it guys. I think I managed to fuse these 4 characters pretty well. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below guys, and what you think would be a great name. Also comment that below. That's it guys. Thanks for watching and I see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.